Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are using Qwen and don't want to miss out on important updates, this video is for you. I will show you how to turn on notifications on Qwen so you can stay informed every time. First, open up the Qwen app and log in into your account if needed. Next, tap onto your profile icon. From here, tap setting icon. Scroll down and select notification or app preference. Toggle on the notification you want like push alert, email or system message. And there you have it. And that's it. Now you will never miss a thing on Qwen. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want a video on more Qwen features. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.